So good morning, Mom. Have another little snow event here, actually quite a big snow event. It's quite beautiful this morning, so I don't want you to think I'm going to send you all films with just snow, but being late February, this will probably be in the last snow days. On that. So we get quite a bit, close to a foot of snow, and I'm taking Honey out again for her walk. She seems a little bit anxious. It's wet, heavy snow this time, so it's really kind of on the trees and so forth, and it's actually quite beautiful. Kind of coming back around now, and that's the neighborhood, and we're back at the house in terms of where we started. There's Honey, and she's getting some of the snow out of her paws. Hey, Honey. Honey, you gonna say hi to Grammy? No? No, you gonna say hi? No? All right, time for